What should I do if the charging connector is connected to the car but it doesn't start charging? Check whether there are any foreign objects in the plug, and whether the charger connector head is fully inserted into the charging port. SAE J177 to connector head has anti-loosening hook to prevent connection slack. Charger front with dual buckle holes, works with vehicle lock to avoid direct removal during charging. Use sockets 50 a 25% safety redundancy for 40 a output. Insufficient rating causes tripping and charging failure. Check whether the vehicle has set up a scheduled charging appointment. Has it reached the scheduled time? You need to cancel the current schedule or reset a new one before charging can start. Check if the target battery level is set higher than the current level. Charging will not be possible if it is set lower than the current level.